Let me take you back to a year ago, where I had just lost my corporate job, freshly unemployed. Bills were literally piling up, and I had no idea what I was going to do. Now, fast forward to today, where I'm running a successful real estate business and Airbnb business that has completely turned my life around. No job, no prior experience, just a dream and a determination to make it happen. In this video, I'll share with you my story, how I went from struggling to thriving, the exact steps that I took to get there, and the lessons that I learned along the way. Plus, I'll give you a sneak peek of what's coming in the series to help you on your real estate journey. Stay tuned. Let's dive in. Okay, so here's the real truth. Losing my corporate job felt like the world was about to end. I spent countless weeks applying to jobs, refining my resume, connecting with folks on LinkedIn, sending the dreaded message. Like, it was so draining. Went through rounds of interviews just to never get a call back. I literally did it all. I wanted to go back to the drawing board. There's no way that they have so many successful people in this world and I can't make it happen. With that mindset, I revisited the one thing that gave me true passion, which was real estate. I deep dived in every real estate course I could find on YouTube University, from Pace Morby to Bigger Pockets to anybody that I could find that is doing real estate. My goal was to find someone that was doing it cheap. If it was possible, I was unemployed. Why would I want to start real estate when I had no money? But I did it anyways, right? It didn't matter what I needed to do. I just wanted to take control. I literally started researching day and night. And what stuck out to me the most was Airbnb. I was kind of familiar with Airbnb before as, a guest, not the person hosting it. I never dreamed that I could have a property and be able to do it. That just never crossed my mind. So why did I choose Airbnb? Honestly, of all the research that I did, it was the strategy that provided the most return with little upfront investment. You can literally start small, learn, move slow, and scale your business. Airbnb is flexible. You can literally host in your own space, rent your own space, or do rental arbitrage, which is what I did. But what really sold me was the potential. People are always traveling, looking for unique places to stay. If I could create a great experience, I could really make it work. Now, I'm not gonna lie to you. Getting started was not easy. I had no idea where to find the right property. I didn't know anything about the legal stuff. And honestly, I was scared. What if I failed? Worst of all, what if I had no bookings? But here's what I learned. Fear, it's normal. The trick is to act anyways. Conquer your mind and just get moving. I focused on what I could do. Finding an affordable property, reaching out to the landlord, setting up my first listing, approaching everything step by step. The key is to start where you are with what you have. It doesn't have to be fancy. Just get started. My first setup was nothing fancy at all. Shy from it, but it worked. I will never forget when I got my first booking. And let me tell you, it was far from easy. It was a nice and cozy home I had just set up with secondhand furniture and some DIY decor. I had just listed the property on Airbnb And for a few weeks, we did not get any bookings. My dreaded fear was literally coming into fruition. Like, how? Of all people, me? Why? Like, so all kinds of self-doubt started coming through my mind. But then I got that notification. Ding. I was like, is that money? Is that money calling me? Is that money? I literally could not believe, like, wow. It really just gave me the drive that I needed to keep on going. And guess what? To top it off, they left a glowing 5-star review. That's what every single host shoots for, is a 5-star review. And we were able to get that glowing 5-star review on our very first booking. That gave me all the drive I needed to keep on going. In this series, I'm gonna break it down for you step by step on how to set up your own Airbnb. I know that starting an Airbnb business can feel a little bit overwhelming. And like a lot of you guys watching this video right now, you're wondering, how the heck do I even get started, Yana? Well, that's why I'm here. In this series, I'm gonna walk you step by step. I'm literally gonna break it down for you step by step on how to set up your own Airbnb. From how to set up your Airbnb with little to no money, to how to decorate your Airbnb with little to no money, and how to set up your listing to get consistent bookings. Keyword is little to no money. So let's do it together. Next week, we're gonna deep dive into step 1, how to get started, even if you don't have a property of your own. So stay tuned and hit that subscribe button and that notification bell. Hey, my beautiful people. If this story really inspired you, let me know in the comments. I want to know, what's your biggest fear or question about starting an Airbnb business? Don't be shy. We're going to be answering some questions in future videos. Hit me with them. I want to hear all about your fears, and let's work through them together. If you found this video helpful, give it a like. It really helps the channel grow. And be a great friend today by sharing this video to someone that needs a little bit of motivation right now. And remember, no matter where you're starting from, it's never too late to turn things around. I was unemployed, broke, bills piling up, and I turned my life around. So, no matter your starting point, it's never too late to turn things around. If I can do it, you can do it. See you next time.